Hi, my name is Jarryd, and today we're going to review version 1.22.0 of the Consumer Data Standards. Version 1.22.0 of the Consumer Data Standards was released on the 22nd of December 2022 and marks the final release of 2022. This release includes changes from Maintenance Iteration 13 via Decision Proposal 272 and other changes or errata captured during the 13th Maintenance Iteration. The final inclusion are changes to the draft telecommunication standards. However, please note these are not final and are a reflection of feedback received to date. So let's get started and stuck into the latest changes. Up first, the change is from Standards Maintenance 546. This change requested to update the register and DCR Swagger specs to use common field types. The changes impacted the following definitions: Get Data Holder Brands, Client Registration Request, Registration Properties, Client Registration, and Meta Paginated. So please make sure to keep abreast of changes to both the DCR API field types and the Register API field types. To find out more, check out the link to issue 546 in the description below. The second change in version 1.22.0 is Standards Maintenance Issue 544, which requests an update to the XV header to be mandatory for the Register APIs. The areas affected here are Get Data Holder Brands, Get Software Statement Assertion, Get Data Holder Statuses, Get Software Products Statuses, Get Data Recipient Statuses, and Get Data Recipients. I hope you caught all that. To find out more and to find a list of all what I've just mentioned, you can check out the link to issue 544 in the description below. Let's move on to our third. Up next is issue 513, which is our third issue as part of the release. This requests a change to specify if an account is a joint account in the API response. To accomplish this change, the Consumer Data Standards will introduce a new account ownership field into the banking account object and apply to both the Get Accounts API and Get Account Details API. This change is a breaking change and will require a future dated obligation date. Further, the breaking change would introduce an increase in the version for the affected APIs, which are the aforementioned Get Accounts and Get Account Details APIs. As this is a breaking change, the current set future date obligation date is the 10th of July 2023. So keep that date in mind and start working towards making those changes. To find out details of what has been discussed and work through for this particular change, please check out issue 513. Now, the final issue that covers as part of version 1.22.0 is issue 551. This covers the holistic feedback for the duration of the 13th maintenance iteration. A number of changes are listed within issue 551, so we do encourage all of you to go and have a read, keep up to date, see what was discussed and added, and these address erroneous definitions, broken links, and other minor changes. There are a number there, so please take the time to have a look through. These are small changes, but it's always good to keep across what has changed. You can find a link to issue 551 in the description below. Now, that covers our issues that were included in Standards Maintenance Iteration. We now move on to the final decision proposal. This is Decision Proposal 275. This is the latest release, including an update to the draft telecommunication standards. A number of changes or feedback were proposed and given by a number of community members, and we thank you for your time and dedication in including those. And these have been addressed and added into the Consumer Data Standards. Please note, these are draft telecommunication standards and are not final or binding. You can find out more in the link below to Decision Proposal 275, both to the feedback that was provided by community members as well as the commentary given by the Data Standards body. So that's quite a lot of changes. Thanks for being part of the change process. We'll catch you all next time on the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. Bye for now.